Okay, I like working on paddles, and people bring me paddles, and this is a common problem. The flapper broke his back there. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and here's what I use. First, start with G-Flex. It's good, easy to use bottles. That's what's great about it. It's about $22 for that. You can probably repair 10 paddles with it. These little mixing boards, I put the resin on that. Some rough sandpaper, of course gloves, scissors. I use these to mix and apply. They're room key cards or old credit cards, gift cards, something like that. Then I like to pre-cut my fiberglass, 3 layers here, and these are going to be like little beams, little stiffener arms that I'm going to place in here and here to help with the strength. Okay, I'm sanding on this, and again, this is like 60 grit sandpaper. You want to rough it up because and smooth out all most of the imperfections. Just sand it right off and get it rough so the resin can bond to the surface. Very important. Then of course we have to clean it. I'm using lacquer thinner. I took all the decals off already, the Werner decals. Clean that up good. We're all cleaned up. This is why I like this little palette. So you can see 2 little dollops on there about the same size. And then you just start to mix them up. And it makes it real easy to mix up, and you can get all of the resin off of here. Makes it real easy to do that. And when we start, you always want to put it on the paddle first, so you know you have good contact of the resin on the paddle. And then we'll lay our glass over the top of it. These are little stiffeners, act like little beams. I had some carbon fiber I put on there, but you probably won't be able to get that. So I like to add that to it. And then pull the glass so the web is going across, the lines of the cloth are going across the break. You want to get that in real good. Use this little stick, push it down in there. Time for a little more resin. This should be enough. Last piece covers it all up. A little more on top. Okay, the last trick is I take just a sandwich bag and cut the zipper off. It's just a Ziploc. Split the sides open, and then you can put it over the top. Then I take my gloves off and use a dry card and start to work that resin all the way through. You want all the fiberglass to turn that translucent, you know. All the white will go away. We'll get all that resin on the cloth where it's needed. You can pick it up and work it. No rush. That should do it. And we just work it in. Let's take your finger and rub it, see. It probably has a little too much resin. Alright, anyway. That looks good. Now, I'll come back in the morning and we'll take a look at it. I'll keep rubbing on this until it goes clear. Okay, it's dry. And then we just take the plastic off. Just peels right off. And see, it's pretty smooth, if you can see that. There's no fiber sticking out. There's a little bit one there. This has a little bit, I was a little over generous with the resin. But it's nice and slick, and it's going to be really strong. No more flapping. No more flapping. So that's it.